Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well.
Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video.
How to add zero before number in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that add zero before number. Now from Google Sheets, then apply from the number, then type from the 0 1 2 3, then for enter, then not show the 0. Then I can say add 0 before number. Now select from the row option. Firstly single row. Now going to the format menu option. Then click with the number option and click with the plain text option. Then apply from the add 0 before number. Now press from down to 3. That's it. Then show the add 0 before number. Then again select from the mini row option. Now going to the format menu option. Then click with the number option. Then click with the plain text option. Then so save apply 0 1 2 3 0 2 5 0 3 2 1 0 5 6 3. That's it. Then I show add 0 before number is Google Sheet is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.